ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 191. In Tika, we are seeing the meaning of Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta. In the middle of Tika, Vidyadashayam Shuddhyadi Sadbhave api Bandhavasthayam Naivam iti ched Nityaha. This is another misconception that Brahma in Vidyadasha is Shuddha and in Bandhadasha is Ashuddha, or I am. When I get knowledge, I will be Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta. When I don't have knowledge, then I am Ashuddha or not Mukta. Such ideas are there. So it is given, it is not like that. Swabhava iti in Bhashya, Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta, Swabhavaha. Swabhavataha, Swabhava means सांसिद्धिकी स्वाभाविकी सहजा अकृताचया प्रकृति सेति विज्ञेया स्वभावम न जहातिया. स्वभाव which is not given up is called prakriti of a thing, nature of a thing. Mandukya Karika. So here swabhava means that which is not given up. This much we should understand. So paramarthata, in vyavahara, this is my nature. This is my swabhava. If there are negativities, then you work on it and remove that. Don't say this is my swabhava. That is not your swabhava. Avyakrita vakyoktam agnatam paramatmanam paramrishati. Avyakrita vakya, in that vakya, Ajnata Paramatma is given. How? Sa esha. Sa esho avyakrite atmabhute. Tameva karyastham pratyancham nirdishati. That which is there in karya, that Paramatma present in karyastham. Pratyancham. Pratyancham, esha word is used. 6 number tippani. Tam eva ityadi. Paroksha vihitam paramatmanam eva. Karyam buddhihi tatstham tad upahitam iti avat. Buddhi upahita chaitanya, which is otherwise referred as paroksha. Paroksha avihitam means paroksha shabdena uktam. Avihitam means tathitam. But where is it? In buddhi. Buddhi is karyam. That's why karyastham pratyancham. Pratyancham anchu is the dhatu. आत्मा ही स्वतो नित्य शुद्धत्वादि रूपोपि स्वाविद्यावष्टंभान नाम रूपे व्याकरोति इति तत्सर्जनस्य अविद्यामयत्वं विवक्षित्वा आह. आत्मा स्वतः is nitya shuddha etc. accepted, but because of swa avidya avashtambhat. Avashtamba means alambanam. Avashtamba means alambanam. Taking support of avidya, it does nama rupa vyakaranam. So swa avidya avashtambhat nama rupe vyakaroti. Iti तत्सर्जनस्य अविद्यामयत्वम. सर्जन means सृजन, सृष्टि. So 7 number टिप्पणी says कर्म व्युत्पत्त्या नाम रूपात्मक द्वैत. सृज्यते इति सर्जनम. That is the व्युत्पत्ति. कर्मणि. That which is created is called sarjan. Actually, sarjanam, if you do bhava vyutpatti, sarjanam is kriya, right? Like darshanam is kriya, kathanam is kriya. So sarjanam will be kriya. But instead, what is created is referred here. That's why karmani vyutpatti. Vivakshitva aha avyakrita iti. Again, avyakrite iti. Avyakrite iti. Avyakrite nama rupe. So therefore, it is dvivachanam, it is okay. Tayor atmana व्याकृतत्वे तदतिरेकेण अभावः फलति इति मत्वा विषयष्टि. तयोः आत्मना व्याकृतत्वे तयोः नामरूपयोः आत्मना व्याकृतत्वे. They are appearing as Atma. Means not different from Atma. Atmana vyakritatve. स्वरूपेण आत्मना. स्वरूपेण व्याकृतत्वे तद अतिरेकेण अभावः फलति इति मत्वा विष्णष्टि. आत्मभूते. Somebody may think nama rupas are there only when manifest expression is there of the world. When it is unmanifest, nama rupa are not there. So it is said no. Nama rupa, they get their existence or satta and spurti from Atma. Therefore, Atma Bhute Nama Rupa. They are not different from Atma, or they are depending on Atma. Tad atirekena abhava is not there. Janimat matram iha shabdartham kathayati. Janimat matram iha shabdartham kathayati. Iha shabdartha is there. Iha shabda is given. Brahmadi stamba paryanteshu deheshu iha. That iha. So what is that? Janimat matra. Everything which has utpatti. Janimat means janmavala, that which has birth. Starting from Brahma all the way up to Stamba Paryanta. Iha sharireshu. Tatraiva dukkhadi sambandha na atmani. In that sharira alone, dukkhadi sambandha is there. In Atma, dukkhadi sambandha is not there. So, when we come to Vedanta, in the beginning, We are told what is the prayojanam of Vedanta? Atyantika dukkha nivritti and Paramananda prapti. Means when I go to Guru, I understand I am ahankara and I have so many problems. What are the problems? Adi Daivika, Adi Bhautika, Adhyatmika, all problems are there. I go and I say, I want solution to all, and you, your Vedanta, you are saying we will solve your problems. I have already gone to other shops. They have not solved my problems. You will, and that teacher will not say that you are Brahma, you don't have problem. Say yes, yes, we will solve your problems. Your Adi Daivika, Adhyatmika, Adi Bhautika Tapa Nivritti, we guarantee. So that Vidyarthi will sit there, then starts study this, study that, do this seva, do that seva. After all of that, slowly he is told, you means you have panchakoshas. You also means chidabhasa. And chidabhasa cannot be there without chit. So in you, kosha, annamaya, pranamaya, all are there. Chidabhasa is also there. Shuddha Chaitanya is also there. They said, understood. Then Guru says, out of all these, you are not Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya, not Chidabhasa, you are Atma. Through Anvaya, Vyatireka, this, that, everything he explains. So the moment student says yes, teaching is actually over. Then he says, but you said all my dukkha's will go, but dukkha's are still there. I still feel hungry, thirsty. I say, where is dukkha? It is either in Annamaya, you are not Annamaya. It is in Pranamaya, you are not Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnana. You are Atma. Where is Dukkham in you? So in Brahma, there is no Dukkham. And wherever there is Dukkham, it is Bhranti. You see, Jivan Mukta is there means somebody who is Shrotriya and who seems to say he is Brahma, but I see he is Dukhi, something happens. He knows I am Brahma. I don't have Dukkham. Dukkham is expressing in this because of prarabdha that will continue. So Atyantika Dukkha Nivritti, this phrase will fit in Brahma as Nitya Mukta. Not that now Dukkha Nivritti has taken place. But in the beginning, you will have to define it the way Laukikas will define. Because that is all that he will understand. So he will enter in. Then we have already analyzed Tarati Shokam Atmavid. In this Vakya, Chandogya mantra, Atma Jnani, if he crosses sorrow, that means sorrow is mithya. It is pratibhasa only. What is not in me is appearing me. Why sarpa is mithya? It is not in Rajju, but it appears in Rajju. So shoka is mithya means shoka is not in Atma, but it appears in me. Similarly, everything else. Dukkha, bhaya, ityadi. Tatraiva dukkhadi sambandho na atmani iti manvano vishnashti. Why the sambandha is only in dehadi? Because karma phala ashraya. Deha is karma phala ashraya. Karma phala will come in deha. Karma phala ashrayeshu ashanad adimatsu brahmadi stamba paryanteshu deheshu. In this way. In that, where karma phala ashraya is there, dukkha, etc. is there, atma pravishtaha, paramatma pravishtaha. ब्रह्मात्मैक्ये पदद्वय सामानाधिकरण्याधिगते हेतुमाह. In Brahmatmaikya, Padadvaya Samanadhikaranya is there. Padadvaya Samanadhikaranya means Sa Eshaha. This is two padas. Sa Eshaha. And they have Samanadhikarana. Sa Esha Pravishtaha. Padadvaya Samanadhikaranya Adhigate. In that hetu, what is there? Pravishtaha. 10 number tippani. स्वाविद्यावष्टंभात सूर्यादिवत प्रतिबिंबी भूत इत्यर्थः. because of avidya avashtambha. In Siddhanta, we say Chaitanya Pratibimba is in avidya. Avidya is one. In Vivarana Prasthana, avidya is one. In Bhamati Prasthana, avidyas are many. One Brahma, one avidya, one jiva. This is primary. Then, if some people they look here, there, okay. That one Pratibimba in avidya appears in many antarkaranas. In Ekajivavad also, one jiva, many antarkaranas are accepted. स्व अविद्या अवष्टंभात सूर्यादिवत प्रतिबिंबी भूता इत्यर्थः. That Chaitanya appears in avidya. Vartika is given सूत्रादिस्थाणु पर्यंतम जगत सृष्ट्वा स्वमायया
जगत् सृष्ट्वा स्वमायया
सहायात्मा
स्वाभासक सहायात्मा
तदेव प्राविशद्धरिः.
तदेव प्राविशद्धरिः.
सूत्रादिस्थाणु पर्यंतम जगत सृष्ट्वा तदेव प्राविशद. तत् कह हरिः सः हरिः तदेव तस्मिन्नेव प्राविशद. हरिः स्व आभासैक सहाय आत्मा. स्व आभास चिदाभास. With the help of Chidabhasa, Atma appears. Having created Sutradi Sthanu Paryantam Jagat Srishtva. Swamaya Jagat Srishtva. This shloka is given in Panchadashi 10th chapter, Nataka Deepa Prakarana. Paramatma Dvayananda Purna Purvam Swamayaya Swayameva Jagat Bhutva Pravishad Jiva Rupatah. You see many shabdas from here he has taken. Swamayaya. There it is given Jagat Bhutva. He only became Jagat. Here it is given Jagat Srishtva. And Pravishad Harihi. Paramatma Pravishad. Iti Abhasah Pratibimba Tadvara Ityartha. Abhasa is Pratibimba. Sureshwaracharya ji has supported Abhasavada Prakriya. Therefore, he uses the word Abhasa in Vartika. Vivarana Prasthana uses the word Pratibimba because it is Pratibimba Vada. That's not much difference. Okay, see further. Now the question was, how there is this Niyanta and Karta? Because in the mantra it is not discussed. Mantra didn't say there is a Niyanta, Karta of this. Swayameva Vyakritam it was said. So, Paramatma Srashta, Srishte Pravishto, Jagati, Ityadi, Ishtam, Akshipati. Sorry, Iti Adishtam Akshipati. Paramatma Srashta, Srishte Pravishtaha. Paramatma, the creator, has entered in the creation. Iti Adishtam. Adishtam, Ang Upasarga Purvak, Dish Ati Sarjane Dhatu. Bhave Nishtha. Dish Ati Sarjane Dhatu, Bhave Nishtha. in bhava nishtha pratyaya ta pratyaya. So adishtam. Shtunashtu shutra. Shakara will become murdhanya shakara and takara will become takara. ननु अव्याकृतं स्वयमेव व्याक्रियते इति उक्तम् कथम इदम इदानीम उच्यते पर एव तु आत्मा अव्याकृतं व्याकुर्वन् इह प्रविष्ट इति. Earlier you said अव्याकृतं स्वयमेव व्याक्रियते. अव्याकृत वस्तु means अव्याकृत जगत by itself did व्याकरणम इति उक्तम. Now you are saying पर एव तु आत्मा अव्याकृतं व्याकुर्वन् अव्याकृत जगत परमात्मा did व्याकरणम and then he entered also. How? Means somebody is paying attention also to what is going on. Not that chalne do. However, no, there is some thinking that mantra said something, you are saying something else. Purva para virodha is there. Purva para virodham samadhatte. Acharya does samadhanam. Naisha dosha. I knew it. You always, whatever I say, you always say naisha dosha or na. This is pratigna. There is nothing wrong. What we are saying is right. परस्य अपि भाष्य परस्य अपि आत्मनो अव्याकृत जगदात्मत्वेन विवक्षितत्वात्. परस्य आत्मनः अव्याकृत जगत आत्मत्वेन परमात्मा is the atma of jagat also, of that jagat which was avyakrita. परस्य अपि आत्मनः अव्याकृत जगद आत्मत्वेन. आत्मनः षष्ठी अव्याकृत जगद आत्मत्वेन विवक्षितत्वात् means jagat, when it is said jagat does vyakaranam, Paramatma is already there because jagat is in Paramatma in this way. टीका व्याक्रियत इति कर्म कर्तृ प्रयोगात् जगत कर्तुः अविवक्षितत्वम् उक्तम् इति आशंका. When you said vyakriyata earlier in mantra, karma kartru prayoga, vyakriyata is karma kartru prayoga. Karma kartru prayoga I explained when we did the mantra. Karta itself is used, a karma itself is used as karta. Instead of saying कुलालः काष्ठम छिनत्ति और छिनत्ति, instead of that if you say काष्ठम भिद्यते, the wood itself is breaking up. Like how we say, this building is falling apart. Building is not falling apart. Some lot of rain comes or something happens. So then things start falling. Like that. So, karma kartru prayoga, jagat kartu vivaksha is not there. Avivakshitatvam uktam iti ashankyaha. Akshipta नियंत्र कर्तृ क्रिया निमित्तम ही जगत अव्याकृतम व्याक्रियत इति अवोचाम. Siddhanti says, yes, jagat avyakritam vyakriyata. This we said, but you have to understand there is akshipta niyanta, karta and kriya. Akshepa of this you should do, means you should understand they are already there. Niyanta means a controller. Karta means doer. And kriya means some action is there. Tan nimittam hi jagad avyakritam vyakriyate iti avocama. How drishtanta is given in Tika. Muchyate vatsaha swayameva iti vat. कर्म कर्तरी लकारो व्याकरण सौकर्यापेक्षया सति एव कर्तरी निर्वहति इति भावः। मुच्यते वत्सः स्वयमेव। वत्सः a calf. Calf releases itself. Muchyate. Iti vat. So there, calf is the karma. Calf is not releasing itself by itself. Somebody karma, but that kartritva is not important there. Karma kartari lakaro. This is व्याकरण सौकर्य अपेक्षया सती एव कर्तरी. A karta is must there. कर्तरी सती एव निर्वहति. निर्वहति कर्म कर्तरी लकार है. That lakaro nirvahati. In this way, Anvaya you have to do. Then why did you do this kind of prayoga? Vyakarana saukarya. To keep it simple. Vyakarana standpoint. Saukarya apekshaya. Avyakrita shabdasya niyantradi yukta jagad vachitve hetuantaram aha. So one hetu is already given. That it is karma kartari lakara and sati eva kartari nirvahati. Its nirvahanam is possible only when karta is there, not by itself. Like some rice they say. Tandulam. Pachati, if you say, it is karma. But pachyate, it just cooks by itself. Cooks by itself means not that you have kept in the store and it starts becoming rice. You just put it in the hot water and before you know, it is done. And some rice, you put it and you go on boiling, go on. It doesn't become soft. Some are really soft. Like some dal are there. Some cook very quickly and some take forever. Even like other vegetables, sometimes potatoes, some potatoes, they don't get cooked. And some are easy to get cooked. So they are as if you have not done anything, it is getting cooked by itself. This is hetu antaram now. Avyakrita shabdasya niyantradi yukta jagad vachitve. Avyakrita shabda, in that niyantra adi are there. That jagat which is associated with niyanta, karta, kriya, etc. In that hetvantaram aha. Idam. Idam shabda samanadhikaranya cha avyakrita shabdasya. Avyakritam is the jagat and jagat is idam. So if it is idam, therefore you have to do anumanam of jagat. You can do the anumanam what Nayayikas do. Shityankuradikam kartrujanyam karyatvat ghatavat. So kartrujanyatvam means niyantrayadi yuktatvam. You can do this anuman. This is a prasiddha anumanam. Did we see this in Tarka Sangraha? No. Okay, just understand this much. They have not given here. Shityankuradikam. Shiti means earth. Ankur means sprouts. Shityankuradikam kartrujanyam. Some karta has to be there for this jagat. Why? Because this is a karyam. Yatra yatra karyatvam tatra tatra sakartrakatvam or kartrujanyatvam. If a karya is there, karta has to be there. Drishtanta is ghata. One number tippani says, अव्यक्त जगत अभिधानस्य अव्याकृत पदस्य व्यक्त जगत अभिधानेन इदं शब्देन सामानाधिकरण्य श्रवणात् सर्वत्रैव जगति नियंत्रादि साहित्यम उचितम इत्यर्थः. Avyakta Jagat itself, when becomes manifest, is called Idam. So therefore there is Samanadikaranya. If this Jagat requires Niyanta, then that Niyanta is there for Utpatti also. If for Sthiti you need Niyanta, for Utpatti also you need Niyanta in this way. Niyanta means controller, somebody who runs the show. कथम उक्त सामानाधिकरण्य मात्रात् अव्याकृतस्य जगतो नियंत्रादि युक्तत्वम तत्र आह. Somebody says just by that, because there is samanadhikaranyam, therefore you are saying avyakrita jagat needs niyanta. Means if you take little liberty from mantra, understandable. This is going too far. Something you are assuming which is not at all evident. So you have to give more evidence. That's why this discussion will go on little longer. Otherwise, in one hetu, two hetu, it should be over. But he said, no, this is little more. And Bhashakar explains more, you see. Yathedam jagan niyantradi aneka karaka nimittadi visheshavad vyakritam तथा अपरित्यक्त अन्यतम विशेषवत एव तदव्याकृतम. यथा इदम जगत, just as this world, नियंत्रादि अनेक कारक निमित्तादि विशेषवत व्याकृतम. In the manifest world, you see so many karakas are there. Visheshavat means Visheshavan. Matu pratyay there. Visheshavala. In Brahma Sutra, in second sutra, so many things Bhagavan says. You know, how many things are there. How this Jagat is, with so many stars and mountains and this and that, Dyava, Prithibhyo, everything is supported. Without Chaitanya, this is not possible. And everybody gets their own karma phala. So many kinds of varieties of pranis, living beings, they all are supported in this ecological system, etc., etc. तथा अपरित्यक्त अन्यतम विशेषवत एव तदव्याकृतम. At that time also, when it was unmanifest, all the visheshas were not dropped. Aparityakta anyatama visheshavat. Any of those visheshas were not dropped when it was avyakrita. Everything was there in the seed form, avyakrita form. Then it becomes vyakrita. Tad avyakritam anyatama visheshavat. Aparityakta anyatama vishesha. None of these things were dropped out. So everything was intact. Therefore, at that time also, Chaitanya was there. And that's why from one Srishti to another Srishti also, same my Punya Papa continue. Not that now all fresh. No, it will continue. Tika we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. ओम शांति शांति शांति।